What's up, everybody? We're going to be going to Open Sauce today. We're going to be going to a lot of exhibits, showing off a lot of the stuff there. I hope you guys will enjoy. I'm here with my brother and his fiance at Open Sauce. We're about to go into the event. Quite a big crowd here. Um, yeah, it should be pretty fun. Yeah. What? Here at Open Sauce, and we got a giant laptop. Look how big this thing is. Playing Minecraft. And then we can also slap this face right here. Nice. Yes. Well done. Look at this tiny little car, tiny little truck. Its whole front is gone. Louder!
You can see it. The fire, as you saw, you just twist quick to open the valve. Start pressure on hand. 24 psi, and it'll shut itself off, and then you open and fire. Okay. Hours and hours. What do you want to aim for? I think I gotta go for Michael. Michael, alright. Yeah. The goblin. Yeah, you can pick it up. Left hand up here. It's ready to fire. 2, 1. Go! You just twist the valve open toward them. It's 1. You get 1.
Hey guys, I'm home. Open Sauce was a lot of fun. I got to meet and see a lot of my favorite creators. Before you ask, yes, I did get sunburned, but only because the farmer talk with Will, Kevin, and the farmer got moved to the outdoor stage because the power went out on the main stage. Will said it was because a rat chewed through the wire and turning off the air conditioner fixed it, but I guess we'll never really know. I just wanted to show off some of the merch I got and also some of the autographs I got at the convention. First is the autographs on the actual badge. So when you go to Open Sauce, you get a badge like this. And I got, that you're able to like get it signed basically. And it's like a PCB, and you can like attach different nodules to this. So that's why it looks like this. So I got Kevin from Backyard Scientist. I got Ren from the Corridor Crew. I got James from the Hacksmith. I got Jake and Luke from LTT, Linus Tech Tips. I got Emily, the engineer. And then I got Martina and Hansi from NerdForge. Now, I tried to get a few more, but there were so many people. And there was like a lack of opportunities to actually get autographs. Despite that, I had a great time. The panels were great. My favorite one was the Creator Feud, but Scare the Coyote was a close second. I also watched the Farmer panel, as I stated earlier. That one was good. Only problem was that it was outside and in the sun and not in shade at all. So that's how I got the sunburn. Another piece of merch I got were these totes that were spray painted by the creators and signed. Now this one was signed by Nighthawk Light, which is one of my favorite creators. He does stuff like about phase change materials and stuff. I've actually made his recipe a few times. Not actually in any practical application, just to like test it. And it does actually work as effectively as he stated in his videos. Then the second one is, I think, a little bit more special. It's looks like this, and it's signed by William Osman. You can see down here. And then it's also signed by Potato, William Osman's daughter. So I think this is a special piece of merch. I don't know how many people have signatures from Potato, but I got one. And then another piece of merch that I got was this sweatshirt. Now, the thing is, I didn't really even want a sweatshirt. I wanted to get a shirt, but they were out of shirts, and for some reason they still put the sweatshirt in there. But I guess that's my fault, because it was also $70, so I probably should have noticed something was wrong when I was buying a $70 shirt. But you know, here we are. I have the sweatshirt. I have $70 less, so might as well enjoy the shirt. Then the last thing is this poster, which I bought. It was about 20 bucks. It was supposed to be signed, but it is not signed, fortunately. But it is still a cool poster. I will hang this poster up. But overall, I had fun this year, Open Sauce, and I already purchased my tickets for next year. I met a few people there. Josh, if you're watching, I had a great time talking to you. And I hope you enjoyed my little snippet of Open Sauce 2025. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.